Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really good looking smartwatch. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. It's a LEMFO smartwatch for women. We can answer and make calls with this smartwatch here. This smartwatch comes with a heart rate monitor, an SpO2 and sleep monitor, and of course, it's possible to control your music and custom dial. 1.28 inches step counter fitness watch for Android and iOS devices. Firstly, we connect the smartwatch to the phone via the app FitCloudPro. And then we find the Bluetooth in the phone settings. After connection to this device, we can make or receive calls directly from the smartwatch. We can add 8 frequent contacts through the app and sync with the smartwatch. And what's more, it has a built-in speaker and a microphone, so we can play music directly, AI voice control, and it's making our life more convenient with that option. We have 2 bands in this compilation here. It's a silicon band and a stainless steel watch band, and they are really easy to replace. And this smartwatch has an elegant appearance with a 1.28 inches round curved screen, protected by a strong and corrosion-resistant zinc alloy case. There are more than 100 watch faces to choose from in the app, and we can also choose any photo in our photo library to set it as the watch face at any time to show our personal style, of course. And the health monitor assistant. Whenever in daily life or work, the fitness watch can be used as a smart assistant to help us monitor changes in heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen at any time. This allows us to keep track of our health status at any time. It can also record sleep quality and sleep cycle. That means deep sleep and light sleep and so on, to help us understand and improve the sleep quality and achieve the high qualities of sleeping. And it comes with 19 sports modes, including walking, running, yoga, tennis, etc. The smartwatch is the best choice for fitness lovers. All exercise data can be synchronized to the app, the FitCloudPro. This helping us clearly understand the achievement of each goal and making our exercise more efficient. The fitness tracker can also check the steps, the calories, and the distance. And the compatible systems are Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.2 and above too. This smartwatch supports message notifications from various social networks such as Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, Twitter, Line, etc. More importantly, after activities, the woman's health function in the app, the LEMFO smartwatch will intelligently remind us for our menstrual period and due date. Allows us to spend every special day with peace of mind. It's a really cool device here, and it makes a good job on our wrist. It comes with a silicone strap where you can have the workout with it, and it comes with a metal band, which makes an elegant aspect. We can make and answer calls. The smartwatch adopts the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The connection is fast and stable. We can dial directly on the wrist. It supports hand-free calls too. And we can make a custom dial. We can choose more than 100 watch faces. That's really beautiful. And we can also use any photo of our library and use it as a wallpaper to match the bring style of it and brings of a different and beautiful mood. And smart notification system. As long as the woman's smartwatch is connected with the app FitCloudPro, the smartwatch can remind us by vibration. We will not miss the social information of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. We cannot reply to the message directly from this smartwatch, but we can read them. And then we can use our smartphone to reply, of course. On those days, it gives us an innovative care if we have a female menstruation assistant enabled. The LEMFO smartwatch for women has a female function in 4 aspects. It monitors the menstrual, the cycle, the safety period, the ovulation period, and the ovulation day. It records the history period in the FitCloudPro app, and it will remind us with a slight vibration. It lets us avoid embarrassing moments. We have more than 100 plus wallpapers, gives us a different freshness every day. And DIY. We upload our own photo as a wallpaper through the app, and it's really easy. We download the FitCloud app, then we turn on the speaker of the smartwatch. Then we turn on the phone's Bluetooth, and then we choose the LF28PRO to connect. Job's done after this. We do not wear this smartwatch while bathing or showering or go swimming. Before we're using the smartwatch for the first time, we should recharge it to up to 3 hours. We do not remove or wear the fitness watch while it is charging. And the health tracking data, of course, are only reference only and cannot be used for medical purpose. Compatible systems are Android and iOS, and we have a lot of supported languages in this device. It's really beautiful, and it makes a good job in this price range. This is the LEMFO smartwatch for women. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.